Fix Windows Update error 0 by 8,007,041 days. Common issue, update problems, quick solutions. Let's get started. First, let's start by going to Settings. Click on System from the menu on the left. Now, find and click on Troubleshoot. Next, click on Other Troubleshoots. Here, click on Run to start the troubleshooter. Then, click on Next to proceed. Alright folks, let's tackle the next step to fix the issue. Ready? Here we go. Right-click on the Windows Start button. Open Settings again. Now, click on Time and Language. Then select Date and Time. Look for the Sync Now button and click on it to sync your time settings. Alright folks, let's tackle the next step to fix the issue. Ready? Here we go. Next, Solution. Now, let's search for CMD. When you find it, right-click and select Run as Administrator. Click Yes to allow it. In the command prompt, type sfc/scannow and press Enter. Once the scan is complete and reaches 100%, type Exit and press Enter to close the command prompt. Finally, right-click on the Windows Start button and select Restart to reboot your PC. And that's it. You've completed the troubleshooting steps. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.